standing now is going to be the future site of the maintenance, operations, building and grounds, and warehouse facility for Pasadena ISD. This project in particular started in the 2017 bond, but the think tank or the original ideas came out of the 2015 Strategic Planning Committee. They had committees present on items across the district, and one of the major areas that needed a lot of touch-up, you could say, was the maintenance and operations facility, which were still being shared with the transportation side of the district. The sheer size alone from the district, those departments were utilizing a very small area, and so through conversations in the committee, one of the major projects that was coming about was this property right here, the new operations and maintenance warehouse. Pasadena is a very humble district, but it's a very proud district, and you want to be proud of the facilities that you have. And just looking at this one alone, I mean, it's state of the art. It's going to be great. It's going to kind of mirror everything that's happening, that we know that's happening inside the classrooms. Now all the service departments that keep the district moving are going to have a brand new house of their own.